The following is an excerpt from an Ask Slim member video. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and share it. We put tons of new videos out every week. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and follow us on Twitter at Ask Slim. Email matt@askslim.com and request a demo of our technical analysis services, trade planning tools, and amazing video workshops. Our services support all trading and investment styles. Please do enjoy this video.
In this video, we're going to highlight a short idea that we are watching in the KraneShares China Internet ETF, or the KWEB. What I've done here is I've overlaid some of the top holdings here. You can see that Tencent makes up about 10% of the ETF. BABA is at 9.6%. PDD at 8%. Meituan, I think I'm saying that right, at 7.6%. JD at 5.6%. And NTES at 4.5%. I highlight these top holdings because they emphasize an important synchronicity in terms of when all these lows are due. They're all due right around the September time period, in line with the KWEB itself. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into the weekly cycle analysis for KWEB. And we are getting into a period of risk late in the intermediate term cycle. Here, and here, you will see a common theme is that you see failed rallies and a sell-off, right, in each of those periods. That's where we are getting into. Now, I have two downside tracks here in the KWEB, being the 78.6 fib at 24.99, then this old low at 22.68. So in a period of risk, we would only be watching for failed rallies and overall turns back to the downside to the two downside targets that I mentioned. This trough is due 8.19 to 10.21. If we shift over to the daily chart, we have seen now a breakdown in the cycle structure. We had this really nice basing cycle. We were overall bullish on the Chinese market here. Off of that base, we saw that form, and then we saw a sharp rally off of that. And then you can see a peak. We then turned down and had a warning sign in our cycle structure after we actually looked at that 78.6 fib at 26.89. Then what happened is we formed a lower high filled right around the 38.2 fib right there, and then curled down, and you can see now we have a breakdown. And this is a left-hand translation where overall we would be watching for failed rallies and a turn back down, as long as we're holding below that old high here at 29.39. We would be watching for a move down over time into this zone here from 24.90 to 23.68, going into that next trough on the daily time frame, which is due right around that middle part of September time period, in line with the weekly. So this is a trade idea that we are watching closely for a setup for Ask Slim level 3 and 4 members. And I did want to highlight that for our friends here on YouTube. If you are interested in joining us at Ask Slim, please head over to askslim.com, click on memberships, and you can see all of what we offer. Thanks again, and I hope you guys have a great day.